Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn on grid here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Turning on the grid in Canva is a simple process that can help you with the alignment and spacing in your designs. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the project or the design that you're working with. In my case, I'm using this specific design. Basically, grids are there to help you align elements more precisely, ensuring a neat and organized layout. In my case, I haven't turned on the grid already, but all I have to do for you to be able to do that is go to the file section and go to the settings. You see, just click on the show rulers and guides, and the shortcut for that is press shift plus R. Okay, again, click on settings and click again the add guides, so you should be able to see that this is going to be the grid option. All right, so you have like 12 columns. You can choose from 3 columns and 3x3 guide or grid. I'm sorry. If you want to click a custom grid, you can put in 6 plus 9 rows right here. So there's a lot that you can work with. Okay, so essentially all I have to do is click on the add guides and you'd be able to have like a 6x9 grid. Click on that. So as you can see, when you using the grid allows for consistent spacing between elements, making your designs look more professional and polished. The grid right here helps you achieving a balanced composition, guiding you in positioning elements in a way that is visually appealing and harmonious. With a grid in place, you can easily organize content in a structured manner, which is especially useful for complex designs or when working with multiple elements such as this one. So I have like a lot of elements at the background. The grid here serves as a helpful tool for experimenting with different layouts and arrangements, allowing you to see more elements with a visual communication. Once you're happy with this, just click on the play button again to see if the elements blends perfectly well, whether you are designing presentations, social media graphics, or marketing materials. The grid can always enhance the versatility and functionality of your designs. All right. Once you are happy with that, I want you to click on the share button here. You might want to click the download option and choose MP4. Or if you want to share this design to your client or your team collaborators, just click on the copy link right here. Okay? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.